Hey guys, I have gotten some questions to make some basic videos for Bambu Lab Slicer. So today we're going to talk about editing text down in the slicing app. So right now the file I have open is one of my composition sets where there's a post-it note, jumbo paper clips, and then the pencil holder. So here is the finished product of the pencil holder. It is super cute if you have not seen it, but what we're editing is the text across here so that if you're using this file, you can change the name. So on this specific file, when you actually download it, you will have these 6 plates and one is blank if you don't want any text on there. And then this is your editable text plate. Now for this video, I cloned them and added these plates down here just to see what we're working with to run through how to add text. So when you want to add text, if there is nothing on it, we'll start there and then we'll go up here and edit this text right here. So actually, when you go to a blank object, what you want to do is click on that object. And then over here on your left menu, you want to make sure that you are on the tab that says Objects. And then go down here, you'll see there is no text object there yet. So up here in your slicer, there is this text shape. You want to click on that. And then here are your text options. Now, I think that Bambu has some pretty cute basic fonts in here for this one. Let's try this Noteworthy. And I'm going to go ahead and put my name. Now, you want this one to be on the surface of your object. And then for me, the embedded depth, that is how far it actually is down into the file. Since this particular project does have a little bit of layering, I do want my text to go down a little bit. So I'm going to do 0.5 and then the thickness, I'm going to put it 1. So when you actually bring your cursor over here off of that editable text menu, you'll see that the text does generate. So once you're okay with how that looks with the font and the size, you actually just click and it will position that in there. So you will see that now we have text on there. And when you go over here to the left, you can actually change your color just like you can with the rest of the items in this file. So I'm going to put it as pink so that it matches the bow. And you can see that now we have added text into this composition book so that you can customize it to whatever your name is or what you'd like it to say. Now, if you have an item that already has text, like when you get this file, it already had some text on it right here. So what you can do with text that's already there is click on that object again, and then down here in the object menu, you'll see it says text shape. So you'll actually click on that. And then once again, you'll go up here to the text shape menu. And then same thing, you can just change what it says. And you can go up here into the menu and you can pick whatever font your heart desires. Let's try chalkboard. You can change the size to kind of make it more appropriate for whatever you're doing. I like that. It looks pretty cute. And I feel like we could move it down just a little bit to get on those lines a little better. So over here on the left again in your text shape, object menu, click on that. And then you'll go up here to your move coordinates and you can actually just drag this Y up or down. And you can drag the X left or right to get it centered where you'd like it to be. And I think that looks pretty good. So this is a very basic tutorial on how to edit text in Bambu Slicer. This file in particular is available on my Patreon. And if you have any other basic tutorial videos that you'd like to see for Bambu, definitely subscribe, drop a comment below, and I can make those videos for you. Thanks for watching.